Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I wanted to share my new iPhone 11 case that I got at Target, and I also got a new Popsocket. But I need to go back to Target because when I went they only had this one that I got, which has cacti all over it with gold trim, and they had just like two other styles, so hopefully they're getting more in of the iPhone 11 cases and the iPhone 11 Pro cases. But this one is drop test approved, and I like that it's clear, so it shows the color of my phone, which is purple. And then I also got this pop socket for it. It's black and it has chunky glitter on it. It's so pretty. And I think it'll match, but I'm starting to think maybe I need to look around for something that's like gold, like a gold pop socket. I'm not sure. So let me know what color pop socket I should get for this phone case. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.